How to solve 10 power of 3x minus 10 power of 2x is equal to 10 power x. What is the value of x? So I have 10 power of 3x can be written as 10 power x, then bracket power of 3, then minus 10 power of 2x is same as 10 power x, then bracket power of 2 is equal to 10 power x. Now we see 10 power x, 10 power x, 10 power x. Every term is same. So let 10 power x is substituted by y. So our equation will be y cube minus y square then is equal to y. Now I can write here y cube minus y square, then this plus y take to the left side, so this will be minus y, then is equal to 0. Now from the left side you take common y, so y is out of the bracket, this divided by this, that means it will be y square minus this divided by this, that means it will be y, then minus y divided by y, that means it will be minus 1, then bracket close is equal to 0. Now I can write here y y is equal to 0 or y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now from here remember that y, that means 10 power x. So y, that means it will be 10 power x is equal to 0. But attention here, 10 power any number is always positive. That means 10 power any number is greater than 0. So 10 power x cannot be equal to 0. 10 power any number cannot be equal to 0. So 10 power x is not equal to 0. So this is rejected. Now from here we can apply quadratic formula. So we can write here y is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a is as 1, then b is as minus 1, after that c is as minus 1. Now I can write here y will be equal to minus b, that means negative 1, so it will be bracket negative 1, then plus or minus a square root of b square, that means it will be negative 1 bracket a square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times say that means negative 1, so it will be bracket negative 1, then divided by 2 times a, that means 1. Now I can write here y is equal to minus times negative 1, that means positive 1, then plus or minus a square root of negative 1 bracket a square, that means it will be positive 1, then minus times minus, that means plus, 4 times 1 times 1, that means it will be 4, then divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now we see here two cases, so we can write here y is equal to 1 plus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, then divided by 2, or y is equal to 1 minus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2. Now remember that 10 power x is substituted by y. So y, that means 10 power x. So y, that means 10 power x is equal to 1 plus a square root of 5 divided by 2, or y, that means 10 power x is equal to 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we see 10 power any number is always positive, but 1 minus the square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now from here we take log in both sides. You can write here log of 10 power x is equal to log of 1 plus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now this power x will move to the base, so it will be x log 10 is equal to log of 1 plus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now x times log 10 is same as 1. We know that log 10 is equal to 1. Then is equal to log of 1 plus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now x times 1, that means it will be x is equal to log of 1 plus a square root of 5 divided by 2. So this is the value of x, so this is our final answer.
How to solve 4 to the power 18 plus 4 to the power 18 is equal to what? At first we take common 4 to the power 18, first bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now 4 to the power 18 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 18 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 18, that means 36 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so you can write here 2 to the power 36 plus 1, that means 37. So 2 to the power 37 is the correct answer.